So the most interesting thing about an open space meeting is that it allows people to build the agenda. So there will be a broad theme, and then the participants are invited to choose topics or bring topics forward as per their interests, as per their passion, or as per their areas of expertise, and then have a roundtable discussion around those topics. There are a couple of things that happen the moment you invite people to build the agenda. First is that they feel quite surprised that how can a meeting be organized where there is no agenda. Because once they learn that how to build the agenda, then they have a sigh of relief. They know that they are there to build the agenda. So that is one. The other thing is that oftentimes I have observed that people have a freedom shock, because most of humans are used to being told that you are supposed to behave like this, you are supposed to do this, now you are supposed to discuss this topic, now you are supposed to be on that table, etc., etc., etc. But in an open space meeting, they have the freedom to choose a topic, build the agenda, and then convene a table or become a participant and behave like a bumblebee and butterfly and contribute to as many topics as is of one's interest. So this is another very, very interesting element, and I use a term which is freedom shock, because people are not used to a freedom. First of all, sitting in a circle itself is a freedom shock. People are used to sitting behind the tables, kind of hiding. Here you are sitting in a circle of say 70 people, like in no hierarchy, everybody is equal, so that kind of a feeling. And then there are not many instructions for you that how to behave. It takes a few minutes for people to digest this, and then suddenly they align with the process and the essence of open space, and then they start building the agenda.